And PacWest not seeing anything remotely similar to the deposit outflows like those at First Republic. What do you make of this action that we're seeing at Western Alliance and PacWest?
Yeah, I mean, it just looks like the market ganging up on whoever they feel might be next to be weak. If the problems that hit First Republic, and Silicon Valley Bank before then are something that all regional lenders might have faced, the worry is that they could all be running into trouble. Now, PacWest's statement suggests that they don't have any fundamental problems right now, but it's just fear that's guiding traders' hands right now.
So I know you don't have any inside information on this, and I'm sure you're still working on your reporting. But when they both say that they're talking to partners, who could those potential partners be? We saw some hesitancy to take over First Republic, and eventually J.P. Morgan did. But who are potential partners that could possibly create a deal for these two banks?
Like I said, as you point out, I don't know anything for sure. But any of the bigger banks would be candidates, because they can put up the capital right away to help if they want. Two regional lenders could merge potentially to say, look, we're this much stronger, we have this much more deposits now, and that would create a bigger bank that would be subject to different rules and regulations that might actually instill confidence in and how they're managed after that. It remains to be seen. Who knows? Could be anyone.
Yeah, I want to correct myself. It was just PacWest that said they were looking for potential partners there. So as we go forward and look at the regional banking sector, what do you think the next inflection point is? We have a loan officer survey coming up in just a few days. Is that something that's going to give us more insight about the status of this sector?
It will certainly tell us something about how much banks are tightening credit to consumers, and how their business models are doing in the face of these new higher interest rates that we've had over the past year, right? So usually higher interest rates should help banks because they can charge more for loans. But the problem that they've had is keeping up with the value of the assets on their books, which tend to go down when interest rates go up. So it will help somewhat, but I really feel like right now there isn't any particular piece of news that could help or necessarily hurt one way or the other. It just seems to be that investors and traders aren't sure what's going to happen next, and so they're trying to play it safe and stay away from these regional lenders.
All right, so right now we're showing a board looking at the year-to-date moves of some of these other regional banks. Are there any others that you are personally watching that you believe could be facing some similar problems, or at least a loss of investor confidence like PacWest and Western Alliance appear to be seeing?
Yeah, again, I don't know anything particular about the bank's actual balance sheets or what's happening with their deposits other than what PacWest has told us. But yeah, we look at Western Alliance, we look at Comerica, that would be another big regional lender. There's Zinc, I think, is another one that would be on the list. There's 5 or 6 that you could look at that are about the same size that might draw attention from traders over the next few days.